Did you know your heartbeat and music share the same beat? Hey everyone, ever notice that beep monitoring your heartbeat in hospitals? Those numbers aren't so different from a DJ's BPM counter. That's right, your pulse and your playlist both run on BPM. BPM means beats per minute. In short version, BPM. And here's the science behind it. In 60 BPM chill mode, proven fact from Oxford University, found the slow tempos reduce blood pressure and cortisol. You know it? Cortisol is your nature's stress hormone. But with music, you can create magic in your body. Like if we increase the BPM of the music, becomes an energy boost. Tracks over 120 BPM trigger your sympathetic nervous system, releasing adrenaline and raising your heart rate. Perfect for workouts. Research from Brunel University shows fast music increases endurance by 15%. Even fractured rhythms 160 BPM with chopped drums stimulate your brain uniquely. So next time you hear a hospital beep or a DJ's beat drop, remember, your heart and music speak the same rhythmic language.